Hello, my name is Soleil Lamar, and I will be recording my data that I observed for Week 2, Homework 2. The first variable that I chose was gender. In raw data, there were 3 males and there were 12 females. This results in 15 people total. Now when you translate that to percentages, that's 20% male and 80% female. I got that by doing 3 divided by the total amount of people, 15. 3 divided by 15 is 20. And 12 divided by 15 is 80% female. What surprised me about this data was that there are about 4 times more females in this class than males. Up next is preferred beverage. Thankfully, Shania caught me in my first video and saw that I didn't do another categorical value. I didn't catch that in the instructions, so I accidentally did a quantitative value. But for preferred beverage, 3 people chose carbonated drinks and 12 people chose water. That's equivalent to 20% carbonated and 80% water. That's 3 divided by the total amount of people, which is 15, which got 20%, and 12 divided by 15, which is 80%. What surprised me about this data was that no one chose juice. Everyone either chose water or carbonated drinks. And even for those that chose carbonated drinks, they were still outweighed by the people that chose water. This is my contingency table. I chose to relate the gender and its preferred beverage. There were 9 females that like water and 3 females that like carbonated drinks. 0% of females chose juice. That equivalates to 12 females total. Now there were 3 males that like water, 0 that like carbonation, and 0 that like juice. That results in 3 males total. The total amount of people that like water were 12. The total amount of people that like carbonated drinks was 3. And the total amount of people that like juice was 0. This results in 15 people total. Now for the segmented bar graph. I decided to separate it into 2 columns, one for females and one for males. As we can see, there are 9 people that chose water that were female, over 12 females total. 9 divided by 12 is 0.75, which is 75% that like water. 3 females like carbonated drinks. 3 divided by 12 is 25%. Now for the males. 3 people like water, and there's 3 males total. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, which is 100%. That is why everything here is all water. No one else like juice or carbonation. There is a possible association between the 2 variables. In other words, they are not independent. The 2 columns have different data. For example, 25% of females prefer carbonated drinks, and 0% of males prefer carbonated drinks. This means that gender might have an influence on the preferred beverage.